Okay, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to do a quick video of the sheleeart bloom technique because I got my Australian Floetrol in and I actually have time to try it out. But you just saw me pop a couple air bubbles, so you don't want that in your paint because then it'll come up and give you white spots after you stretch it out. And you don't want to really torch your house paint. So for the most part, everything was the same as far as mixing. It's just, making your cell activator. It's just a lot easier with the Australian Floetrol. It's not much adding this, adding that, and trying to break down all the little conversions or how much of each one. So I would highly recommend getting your Australian Floetrol just because it is a lot easier if you are tired of having to feel like you're baking something and if you're not getting the results you want. So I'm gonna cut off me blowing it, and this is a close up after I blew it out. Again, this is pretty much right after I blew it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it and give you a close up. So I must say I am thoroughly happy with this, even though it took 5 weeks to get in. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will bring a close-up here in a second once it's done. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I hope all of you are having a good night or a good day, whatever time it is. So take care. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.